Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Cindy.
And we are
People
Connectors. We form People Connectors to help you create new and enhance existing professional and social connections through fun and engaging events with a diverse range of interests and topics. When you come to our events, you'll find camaraderie, education, and fun activities, whether you're looking for professional development, personal enrichment, or just good people to hang out with.
Hey, it's not just about all of us connecting, it's also about supporting our communities. All of our events will include some form of giving back.
With 40 plus years of experience in a variety of B2B industries, including
Marketing and media,
printing,
hospitality,
nonprofits,
human resources,
financial services. Oh my goodness, we have made so many connections over the years and built meaningful relationships and lasting connections.
We have the special gift of attracting good people. We are highly skilled in strategically connecting people, whether it's for business or for personal.
You could say that we are connectors extraordinaire with a gigantic Rolodex of connections. As the saying goes,
it's not what you know,
it's who you know.
So check out our website at peopleconnectorsusa.com.
And if you're simply looking to be connected to good people, we're your people.